Welcome children, this is your social class part 5. Okay, so our chapter name is, what is that? Towards freedom. So towards freedom chapter almost over. So now we are going to discuss fill in the blanks, question answers, think and answer and activity. Okay children, so one of the important words to know, 3 important words are given in your textbook, that is sepoy, sati and caste system. So what is sepoy? In India, in Indian soldiers serving in the British army, it's called sepoy. And what is sati? Sati is a custom. So which custom? Custom of widow burning herself. So that is we called sati. And what is caste system? Jati Vyavastha. Caste system means Jati Vyavastha. So what is caste system? Division of people into group based on birth. Okay, based on birth. അവരെ ജനിച്ചതിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ അവരെ എന്തായി മാറ്റുന്നു? ഡിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഓരോ ആളുകളെയും പല കാസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് തരംതിരിച്ച് വയ്ക്കുന്നു. That is we called caste system. Okay, and important activities that tick the correct answer. First question, the cheaper cloth imported from England made the Indian weavers. So the answer, എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? അങ്ങനെ ആക്കിയതിനു ശേഷം cheaper cloth imported the England എന്ന് cheap റേറ്റിന് ക്ലോത്ത് ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷം Indian weavers, what happened? Indian weavers become rich, Indian weavers become poor. Which one? Yes, Indian weavers become very poor. Okay, first one answer is poor. Second, the revolt of 1857 started at, in from where this 1857 revolt started? 1857 revolt started at Meerut. Started at Meerut. Third question, the rule of the English East India Company ended in. English East India Company ended in. After the 1857 revolt, the company, East India Company is over. That means East India Company ended. So which year? That is 1858. Okay. Fourth, modern education in India was introduced by the dash. Who's introduced the modern education? The modern education introduced by Britishers. Okay. Fifth, the British government introduced the policy of divide and rule. To എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് divide and rule അവർ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുത്തത്? For what purpose? That is suppress nationalism. Okay, nationalism, that means Indian National Congressന്റെ ബേസ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടായ നാഷണലിസത്തിനെ സപ്രസ് ചെയ്യാൻ, അടിച്ചമർത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് they make a rule, that is divide and rule. Okay, they make a policy, that is divide and rule. Then second activity is that fill in the blanks. So first question, the British forced the farmers to grow. British force ചെയ്തു എന്തുണ്ടാക്കാൻ? To grow indigo and cotton. Second, dash was the last Mughal emperor. Who was the last Mughal emperor? That is Bahadur Shah Zafar. And the revolt was led by dash at Awadh. Awadhil lead ചെയ്തത് ആരായിരുന്നു? That is Begum Hazrat Mahal. Okay. And fourth question, the Indian National Congress was formed by, ആരാണ് ഫോം ചെയ്തത്? Indian National Congress was formed by Alan Octavius Hume, A.O. Hume. Okay. Fifth one, the president of the first session of the Indian National Congress was, who was the first Indian National Congress president? That is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Okay children, so these are the first and second activity. Third one is answer the question. The first question is that how was trade with India profitable for the English East India Company? എങ്ങനെയാണ് English East India Company profitable? അവർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ലാഭത്തോടു കൂടെ മുന്നോട്ടെത്തിയത്? The answer, the English East India Company bought goods from India at cheaper rate and sold it high prices. So this way the East India Company become profitable. Second question, how did the British exploit the farmers? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ബ്രിട്ടീഷേഴ്സ് എക്സ്പ്ലോയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്, ചൂഷണം ചെയ്തത് ഫാമേഴ്സിനെ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് മെയ്ഡ് ദ ഫാമേഴ്സ് പേ വെരി high taxes. They had to pay taxes even during flood and droughts. ആ സമയത്ത് പോലും they want to give the taxes, and the Britishers forced to grow indigo and cotton. Indigo and cotton they forced to the Indians to cultivate, to grow this indigo and cotton, which were bought at very low rates and sold at high prices from the other countries. Okay, this way the Britishers exploit the farmers. Third question, which factor sparked the first war of independence? എന്ത് ഫാക്ടറാണ് സ്പാർക്ക് ചെയ്തത്? സോ വാട്ട് goomer is spread from there. Which one is that? That is a new rifle called Enfield rifle introduced by Britishers. So introduced in India by the Britishers. So a rumor sparked. The grease used in the wrapper of the bullet was made from the fat of cows and pig. So the soldiers had to bite off this wrappers and loading in the end rifle. So this rumor is sparked from the soldiers. So this is the factor sparked the first war of independence. And the fourth question, what helped the British to suppress the first war of independence? So what are the factors, or what helped the British to suppress the first war of independence? That is, it did not spread to all parts of India, and Indian soldiers, they have no sufficient money and not good weapons. Third point, the revolt was organized properly. Okay, these are the 3 points to the help the British to suppress the first war of independence. The first war of independence or 1857 revoltine suppress ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ബ്രിട്ടീഷേഴ്സിനെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്ത ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്, ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്ത 3 പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ് ഏതൊക്കെ? ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞ 3 പോയിന്റ്സ്. ഇറ്റ് ഡിഡ് നോട്ട് സ്പ്രെഡ് ടു ഓൾ പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ എല്ലാ സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലും ഈ റിവോൾട്ട് സ്പ്രെഡ് ചെയ്തില്ല. ആൻഡ് ദ സോൾജേഴ്സ് ദേ ഹാവ് നോ ഗുഡ് വെപ്പൺസ് ആൻഡ് there is no sufficient money. അതിന് വേണ്ട പൈസയും മറ്റും വെപ്പൺസോ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് ഓർഗനൈസ്ഡ് പ്രോപ്പർലി. ഈ റിവോൾട്ട് ശരിയായ രീതിയിൽ ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്തില്ല. സോ ദീസ് ആർ ദ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്. Fifth one, how did modern education lead to the rise of nationalism in India? So which one, what is the answer? That is modern education. Education peoples are awakened. What happened? The spirit of unity among Indian and educated Indian realized that the Britishers wanted to keep India poor and backward. So this feeling of the nation to formed Indian National Congress. Okay, the last thing and answer also from there, that is the British called the event of 1857 and 58 Sepoy Mutiny. Do you think it was just a mutiny by some sepoys? നിങ്ങൾ ചിന്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ ഈ റിവോൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവാനുള്ള കാരണം സിപ്പോയ്സിന്റെ ഇടയിലുള്ള problems മാത്രമായിരുന്നോ? That is the question. That is not that the people of the country also participate in this revolt. Not only the sepoys, many rulers such as Rani Lakshmi Bai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, then Bahadur Shah Zafar, and the people belonging to various sections of the society. Not only the sepoys മാത്രമല്ല അതിനെ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്, everybody's are participate. That means the Britishers exploit. Whose are the Britishers? Exploit. ആരൊക്കെയാണോ ചൂഷണം ചെയ്തത്? So that all peoples are participate in this revolt. That means 1857 revolt. Okay children, and one of the activity in your textbook, that is, you can see project, that is divide the class into 5 group. That is, you want to collect and paste in your notebook some of the leaders that is Rajaram Mohan Roy, Tandya Topi, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Devendranath Tagore and Rani Lakshmi Bai. These 5 leaders pictures you want to collect, and you want to collect more information about these leaders and you want to paste in your notebook. Okay, so this is the project. After the exam, everybody want to done this project well. Okay children, thank you.